Welcome to Fun Art Studio. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel. Like my videos and share with others. Enjoy kids this wonderful and amazing video elephant, Hati. Hi, I'm Ellie the elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T spells elephant. Join me in the jungle for a trunk-swinging good time. Lion shear. Roar. I'm Leo the lion. L-I-O-N spells lion. Let's explore the savannah together and have a main-tastic adventure. Giraffe. Zarafa. Hello, I'm Gertie the giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E spells giraffe. Come reach new heights with me in the tall grasslands. Monkey Bunder. Hey there, I'm Miko the monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y spells monkey. Let's swing from tree to tree and have a barrel of fun. Tiger, shear. Roar. I'm Tasha the tiger. T-I-G-E-R spells tiger. Join me in the jungle for a stripe-tastic adventure. Zebra, zebra. Hi, I'm Zara the zebra. Z-E-B-R-A spells zebra. Stripes are my style. Come gallop through the grasslands with me. Penguin, penguin. Hello, I'm Pete the penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N spells penguin. Slide on the ice with me and let's waddle together. Dolphin, D-Dolphin. Hi, I'm Delilah the dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N spells dolphin. Dive into the ocean waves with me for a splashy good time. Kangaroo, kangaroo. G'day, I'm Kenny the kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O spells kangaroo. Hop into the outback with me for an Aussie adventure. Horse, Buddha. Nay, I'm Harmony the horse. H-O-R-S-E spells horse. Let's trot through the meadows and enjoy the open fields. Butterfly, Tetley. Fluttering in, I'm Bella the butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y spells butterfly. Join me as I dance among the flowers. Gorilla, Gorla. Hey, I'm Gabe the gorilla. G-O-R-I-L-L-A spells gorilla. Swing through the jungle with me, and let's beat our chests. Koala, koala. G'day mates, I'm Pip the koala. Koala spells koala. Climb the eucalyptus trees with me in the Aussie bush. Panda. Hello, I'm Pippa the panda. Panda spells panda. Join me in the bamboo forest for a possum time. Hippopotamus, hapu. Hello, I'm Hank the hippo. Hippo spells hippo. Come splash around in the river with me and enjoy the mud. Ostrich, Mr. Marg. Hi, I'm Ollie the ostrich. Ostrich spells ostrich. Run through the desert with me, the fastest bird on land. Snake, Sam. Slithering in. I'm Sammy the snake. Snake spells snake. Join me in the grass and learn to hiss with style. Rhino, Rhino. Hello, I'm Reggie the rhino. Rhino spells rhino. Stomp through the savannah with me, the mighty horned giant. Gazelle. Hey there, I'm Gigi the gazelle. Gazelle spells gazelle. Let's leap gracefully through the grasslands together.